Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from 83 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. This video covers a lot of forex pairs plus reviews some immediate trading setups that are good for the coming week. Whether you are a day trader or someone who has time to look at the markets only after working hours, you will find something to help you make money in this long video. If you like further information about my service, please stay on after the clips end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a pleasant viewing and a great trading week. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week the dollar surged, reversed the trend of the last several weeks, and the big question is, are we looking at a trend that is sustainable, or this is just a bounce within a major trend down in the dollar? I will be examining many forex charts in this video, as well as related markets that can help shed light on the next big move in the dollar, as well as examining interesting situations in some stock markets. So I've got the following list. I've got the dollar index, the euro, US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, South African rand, euro, South African rand, the euro, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen, British pound, US dollar, and then Australian dollar, British pound, Australian dollar, euro, and then gold, silver, light crude, Brent crude, heating oil, the euro bond, USD bond, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the FTSE of the UK, that's the cash. I'll have a look at Chinese securities index, at the Nikkei, at Toyota Motor Corporation, at Brent crude ETF traded in the US, and I'll finish this video with a look at Silver Wheaton Corporation. Next I've got here the Australian dollar, British pound, and this is the weekly scale. For those who are interested, it goes back here to May 2007, and I'm showing here 1, 2, 3 Jewish triangle, pop out of the triangle, a move that is likely to last for months and months, and so far it is stalling. It is stalling now for several weeks, over a month actually. The momentum reached, if you like, indicating a pause here, but I do believe there is further upside coming, and I don't see any reason at this point in time to abandon this line of thinking that we are ahead of a major rally, continuous rally in the Australian dollar against the British pound. And you can see this is 1, this is 2. Now I'm looking at the daily. 1, 2, I've revised it slightly here, taking this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. That's a 3. We're looking at a fourth wave that relates to what I've got here. Okay, that sits quite nicely with quite a few other forex pairs that relate to this forex pair, and I've got no problem with this. I think that you can see that for 6 weeks or so, 6-7 weeks, it held ground above 67. It stays above 67, still bounces up and down here. There's no news, no problem. That is basically confirming that we are doing the right thing at the right place. May take a bit more time, but the next big move, in my opinion, is going to be up. That will represent something like that. Let's have a look at prominent Japanese company, Toyota Motors. Some say the best car company in the world. This is the monthly going back to 1991, and this is a very important line you must have on your chart if you ever dream of trading this stock or doing anything with it. You can see this line, you can see what happened. You established the line with these two dots here, and look what happened when it came close to it. One time, second time, each time a huge bounce. So that's something you must take into account. There's also massive horizontal support here at 60. We have seen a test here, we have seen a test here, we have seen what happened after that. That's the monthly scale. The monthly scale, and all in all, I consider this to be a first leg up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had an A, B, C, D, E, that's an A. We had a whole structure here of an, we'll see it in the details, that's a B. Down big in 5 legs, that's C. Did not take the bottom here. My assumption is working. That could still be an A, that's a B. The point is that we're looking for a C or a third wave to carry it well above 95 to go maybe test 140. We are only at 81. 81.57. This is a mega move. Let's have a look now at the weekly. That looks clearer here. You can see that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E, that gives you the A. A, B, C, X, A, B, C gives you the B. That's a 1, 2, A, B, C, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nailed the floor. 1, 2, up in a third. Some further consolidation here. There is overhead resistance here at 85. And I'm pretty convinced it's going to master the energy to the strength to run towards 95 and higher. Take a look at the daily. This is an ADR, so it is normal to see a lot of gaps because it always, it is always reacting. Sometimes looking forward, but the point is not. You don't get continuous price action here because it is an ADR, and it is trading, of course, at a different time zone than the main stock. But all in all, you get a pretty clear idea where this market wants to go. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other, any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list, go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.